Hey guys, Gina back with you. I am a full-time online marketer, business coach and traffic vendor. In this video, I will show you how you can make money online with affiliate marketing in 2021 and beyond. You will also get access to all the tools, affiliate programs, and the funnel I use to make up to $2,000 per week. And at the end of the video, I will show you how you can get free traffic as well. So let's dive in. What you can see now is my Facebook profile, so you may check my posts to see what I do daily. But let us start from affiliate marketing business model, okay? So first of all, guys, from my personal experience, you will start making money online with affiliate marketing as soon as you will understand which problem you can solve for the people, okay? I call this the easiest business in the world because most people who are trying to make money online have only two problems, okay? First one is how to make sales, and second problem is how to get traffic, okay? So in this video you will get access to my passive income funnel, which also shows you how to solve both of these problems. But again, you will start making money as soon as you will actually find how you can help people to solve these two problems, okay? So again, what I personally recommend to do, I recommend to create an offer, okay? And this is how I do, okay? I don't recommend to promote just an affiliate program, just your affiliate offer, your affiliate program which you recently joined, okay? Because this doesn't solve the problem how to make money for people, okay? What you will need to do, you need to create your offer. So my offer, for example, it includes a couple of programs and my coaching time, okay? Because again, for example, I start my conversation with a guy who wants to make money online with one question. Okay, how much do you want to make per day? Okay, and if the guy says me, Gina, okay, I want to make $100 per day, then I will offer him this program. Okay, you will see it later, the AVA program. So AVA program costs $100 to join, and you can make up to $200 with this program, okay, per referral, okay? So this is why it's easy for the guy to join the program. It's just $100. But if the guy tells me that, Gina, I want to make at least $500 per day, okay, so I will offer him another program, different program. This will be already a high ticket program. The one program which I use is Easy One Up, and with Easy One Up you can start from $25 to $2,000, okay? So if you buy $500 package, the only thing you need to do, okay, is just find one guy who's interested and simply make a sale. So you don't need to drive a lot of traffic to make $500 sale, okay? You just need to have one guy actually who's interested and simply sell it to him, okay? Another thing about affiliate marketing is that yes, you will need to build passive income. And if it was if I could have only one chance to give you one advice, I would tell you this: if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to start building passive income stream, okay? And to build passive income stream, we use tools, okay? Most often we share this possibility to join ClickFunnels or Builderall or GrooveFunnels or OLSP. So it's a funnel builders, okay? And I personally use ClickFunnels, and another thing, it's autoresponders. You can use Aweber or GetResponse. Recently, I actually switched my accounts to GetResponse because GetResponse allows you to do things like this. And this is, for example, you see, the only thing I do, I promote my passive income funnel, okay? I just promote this first page of the funnel, and immediately my new subscribers immediately take a look. Copy to list ClickFunnels, okay? So immediately after subscription, they will be copied to list ClickFunnels. Every 5 days, they will be receiving my message about promoting ClickFunnels. Next, they also copied to list launch check-in. Every 7 days, they will be receiving a new message, promote new Warrior Plus launch, okay? And after that, okay, 1 hour delay, and I start this sending messages. So this actually workflow does everything, including how to get it even simply get rid of the people who don't open the emails. It gives them tags, openers, clickers, non-openers, and so on. So again, you do this once in GetResponse, okay, and you simply just drive traffic to the first page of the funnel which you promote, okay, and that's it. This is it. After that, the GetResponse does everything for you, okay? So this is why I started, I prefer to use GetResponse and not Aweber in 2021. So if you're interested, just find the link to join GetResponse under this video in description. So guys, again, next thing is, this is what you need to realize, okay? You need to start from this one question: how much per week? How much per day? How much per day would you like to make? How much per week would you like to make? And probably after that, you will just need to decide which program to join, which affiliate program to promote. Well, the good news is in a couple of seconds, you will see my video about passive income funnel. The passive income funnel I created to help online marketers start doing their business online, okay? And you will be able to join each and every program which you need to start making up to $2,000 per week or even per day, okay? It all depends on what you do. So this is it for this video, and please watch the next session about the passive income funnel. Hi guys, Gina Babak with you. Today I will show you why I call my passive income funnel the easiest business in the world. Okay, so first of all, what we do with passive income funnel, okay? We help other people build their dreams, okay? Because when people go online, okay, and try to start making money with affiliate marketing or network marketing, they only have two questions, okay? How to make more money, how to make sales, and how to get more traffic, okay? So my passive income funnel solves both of these problems, okay? And let me remind you that the only thing you need to do is just get access to my passive income funnel and join affiliate programs, and also simply promote the first page of the funnel. This is it. If you do what I say, the funnel will do all the telling and selling for you, and the follow-up sequence of letters will actually also help you with sales, okay? Now, let's talk a bit more about the funnel. So when you promote the first page of the funnel, they will go to the second page. So you got your lead, okay, to your autoresponder, and they will see this passive income funnel intro. And the first page of the passive income funnel, which we actually offer them to do, step number 1, register your 14-day ClickFunnels trial account. And guys, this is actually our main passive income stream, which is real passive income, because ClickFunnels pays you $38 per referral for life, okay? Now, take a look. So, the first step, join ClickFunnels and import funnel free. Okay, so yes, I allow to import the funnel for free. And when you join ClickFunnels, you'll be able to also import my funnel, see, and save your links, change my affiliate links with your affiliate links. But again, the main idea for me was actually to get this. So for example, if I pay $97 for ClickFunnels per month, and ClickFunnels already pay me $251 per month, okay? So guys, the only thing I need to do is drive traffic into the funnel, and by the end of this year, I will be making $10,000 in recurrent passive income just from ClickFunnels, okay? Now, let's go back to the this presentation. Okay, so next step, join passive income streams, okay? We offer them 3 passive income streams: Ava, Automated Virtual Assistant, EasyOneUp, and Udemy, okay? So let me actually explain why I decided to offer just this, okay? So Ava costs $100, and for me, okay guys, if you want to make $100 per day, you just need to find one guy who's interested in your proposal and have an offer for $100, okay? This is why we use Ava, and take into account that I already made like more than $1,000 with Ava doing just that. See, I don't have too many leads here. So 96 total hits, and I already made $1,200, okay? So guys, it works, okay? So next step is EasyOneUp. Okay, let's say when I talk to people, when I show them passive income funnel and they want to talk to me, I ask them one question. Okay, listen, how much do you want to make per day? And if the guy tells me, okay, Gina, I would be happy to make $500 per day, then I tell him, okay, Ava is not enough. Ava is not enough because you will need to make five sales per day to make 500. So in this case, you just need to join your join EasyOneUp, and this is why we offer them this EasyOneUp as a step number 2. Okay, passive income funnel income stream number 2, because they can join 25, $100, $250, 500, or 2,000 per referral. Okay, so each of this level allows them to make this kind of money. Okay, so this is why, again, I added EasyOneUp like a passive income stream. So if you want to make like $100 per day, you can join Ava, and that's it, and use passive income funnel. If you want to make at least 500 or 1,000, you need to join 500 level or 1,000 level with EasyOneUp. Okay, now let's go back here. Next, we are going to Udemy. Okay, Udemy solves the problem with the traffic, and let me actually show how it works. So again, passive income stream number 3. Please watch this video again about the Udemy, but the main idea of Udemy is actually Udemy gives you referrals. Okay, so when you actually join Udemy, you will have access to their traffic source, okay, to different traffic vendors, so you can buy traffic using Udemy, and you can use your actually affiliate program. So you just go to Udemy, register your account, and you will get your Udemy affiliate link. And when you join Udemy and get your affiliate link, you will get 15% commissions, okay? 15% from all orders of your referrals, okay? Guys, this is very important because this is actually how you make your traffic, how you get your traffic for free, okay? So in total, if somebody buys, let's say, or all of them buy for $1,000 on Udemy, you will get $150. Or $150, you can easily buy 300 clicks for 50 cents each, okay, on Udemy, and this is how you get your traffic. And again, the only thing you do, you just promote the first page of the funnel, okay? So this is why I added to this blueprint this Udemy, okay? Next, you simply use Udemy to drive traffic, but that's not it. Now, let's go further. So next thing, you drive traffic, okay? How you can do it, and why actually? And why you do the traffic, why you need to drive traffic. Okay, first of all, when you drive traffic to the first page of the funnel, you build multiple passive income streams. Like I mentioned already, EasyOneUp, ClickFunnels, Ava, and Udemy, okay? But also, you are building your leads because you get in the leads when you drive traffic into the funnel, okay? Your leads are going to your autoresponder. And when you use your autoresponder like I teach, okay, you will start getting a launch check-in, promoting Warrior Plus offers. So this is my Warrior Plus account, and as you can see, I make quite a lot of sales, 92 sales just from the last period, okay? And as you can see, these are all not bad money, okay? So it's just like to monetize your list, okay? So this is a complete system, and again, let me remind you that it's very easy. It's the easiest business in the world. All you need to do is just, you can just show this funnel using different traffic sources, free and paid, to your people, okay? Now, how to drive traffic? Okay, where to get your traffic from? So you have two possibilities: free traffic and paid traffic. For free traffic, you may use Facebook and YouTube. So for example, for Facebook, I will show you how I do it. You just go to your Facebook, and you just simply create your Facebook profile, and you invite people on your Facebook profile to join your passive income funnel for free, okay? So as you can see here, I have my passive income funnel right here, okay? Also, I simply, when people click, I also added this use my best passive income funnel, and this is how I actually promote it using Facebook. Regarding YouTube, if you already have a YouTube channel, you will be able to do it on YouTube as well. If not, forget about YouTube because it will take much more time. But again, this is what I do. See, new funnel to promote EasyOneUp, more than 1,000 okay views, and this is how I get my traffic for free. Okay, so next step, how you get traffic, is paid traffic. Again, for paid traffic, you can use actually paid traffic, Udemy, like I told you. Okay, for people who join my team on the level Vertex Pro, it's $1,000 level plus $100 admin fee. I also sell them, it's included. I give them access to Traffic Business. Well, Traffic Business actually allows you to make money before to make money selling solo ads. Okay, so for example, I will show you my 10x solo ads. So you will be in a position to get access to the same traffic source which I use, and
if you've been around internet,
I will also install this kind of website to your ClickFunnels account. Okay, and you will get access to a 30-day coaching program where I show you how you actually sell traffic. And you get at least 100% profit, at least. So when actually I sell each and every one of this package, I have at least 100% profit, sometimes 150% in profit. So actually when somebody buys 100 clicks from me for $70, I buy at least, I have possibility to buy at the same money, using the same money, I will get at least 200 clicks. So 100 clicks will go to this guy and 100 clicks will go to me. So you get access to this traffic business, okay, when you join the level Vertex Pro $1,000 level, okay. So as you can see, guys, this is like a complete system, and the beauty of this system is that, again, I was actually I had this one idea that I would like to create one funnel where people would just drive traffic to the first page of the funnel, and the funnel would do all the rest, all the telling and selling. Okay, later when you join my team, I will show you again. Don't forget that to get the 30-day coaching program from me, you will need to join at least Vertex Elite for $500. When you join Vertex Elite, you get 30-day coaching program, which is called Endless Profits. So Endless Profits allows you to get at least 4 live Zoom sessions with me, and also I teach you how to use autoresponder. So your autoresponder would do the selling and telling for you. Okay, we use different automation strategies, and again I will simply import my funnel to your funnel. Okay, my autoresponder sequence to your autoresponder sequence. This is starting from 500 level. Okay, because again, guys, it will just take more time for me. And voila, this is it. This is a complete system. Again, I call it passive income funnel. And after you watch this video, what you need to do, just actually go and also watch this video how to choose your package, and simply upgrade your EasyOneUp account, or create your EasyOneUp account if you didn't create it yet, and then upgrade it to the level which you can afford, and then message me on Facebook, and we will schedule our first Zoom session with you. Okay, I hope it helps. Talk soon.